Hi guys, welcome and let's do the question before us. And I read the question, simplify and find k. So guys, we have a question here and the first thing we do is we simplify. And this can be done by, we write 27 in form of its factors, which is 3 raised to 3, we multiply 3 by k plus 2, that comes to 3k plus 6. Now minus 6, and 6 can also be written as 2 multiplied by 3, and then we have 3 raised to 3k plus 3 all over. Here we have 3k, and we can also write 9 as in terms of its factors, which is 3 squared. We can multiply 2 by k plus 2, that comes to 2k, now plus 4. From there guys, now we come and separate this, and we write 3 raised to, that is 3k, and then I can also write 3 raised to, let's say I write 3 raised to 4. You shall see the reason why, and I write 3 raised to 2. Minus, you have 2 there. So now I write this in terms of 3 raised to 3k, that is this 3, and this 3 is raised to 1. I can now add to 3 raised to 3, which is 3 raised to 4. And now guys, I know you begin to see that because we have 3 raised to 4 right here. All this we divide by 3 raised to k multiplied by 3 raised to 2k. We can also put 3 raised to 4. We can separate this and write 3 raised to 2k multiplied by 3 raised to 4. Guys, now we come and factor out. Here we can factor out 3 raised to 4 because we have 3 raised to 4 here. We have 3 raised to 4. We can also factor out 3 raised to 3k because we have still the same here. And so we shall have 3 raised to 3k multiplied by 3 raised to 4. We are just factoring out. We'll be left with the 3 squared minus 2. And all these have been factored out. And so therefore guys, we shall have now divided by 3. This is now coming to 3k. We can actually combine all these, and when you combine them, we shall have 3k for these two, and then we can actually leave the other one to be like that. And so therefore guys, we can now be able to cancel that and that, cancel that and that. And therefore guys, we shall be left with the 3 squared, which is 9 minus 2, that gives us 7. And now guys, coming to the second, that is for simplification. For finding k, guys, that is impossible. And one is because this is not equal to anything here. And so we cannot find k. Again, we cannot also find k because it has already cancelled out. So guys, even if we had something right there, unless this value had k in it, that is something like 2k or something like that. But guys, we cannot find k. And so thank you guys for listening to me. Bye.